We have a number of nominees, all of whom are ready for a vote today. Allison Ide, 10th Circuit. Stephanos Bibas, 3rd Circuit. Lyles Burke, North District, Alabama. Walter Counts, West District, Texas. Michael Juneau, Western District, Louisiana. Marvin Quattlebaum, District of South Carolina. Carol Schauler, Northern District, Texas. Tillman Self, Middle District, Georgia. We also have 3 U.S. attorneys on today's agenda, all of whom we'll be able to vote on. I wanted to speak about a couple of the justices, will be judges on the circuits. Allison Ide has served on the Colorado Supreme Court way back to 2006. Justice Ide was raised by a single mother, earned a scholarship to Stanford, law degree from Chicago U, clerked for the Supreme Court, a Supreme Court justice. She has an impressive legal career and life story. Justice Ide has bipartisan support from her colleagues in Colorado. I think an excellent choice filling a vacancy. In the past 2 markups, we've reported out 3 excellent, well-qualified women to the circuit courts. I was disheartened by colleagues who voted against 2 female nominees last week when Republicans voted against female circuit court nominees in 2013. Democrats called it unjust. I won't do that here to my friends, but I also don't want to see a double standard for qualified female nominees from different presidents. Professor Bibas' nomination today he's an accomplished professor with academic writings frequently cited by Supreme Court and courts of appeal. He also has experience as a federal prosecutor, Southern District, New York. He's a law professor starting his teaching career at the University of Iowa. He also has broad pro bono experience and has led his law school Supreme Court clinic in cases where the clients couldn't afford experienced counsel. I was impressed with his testimony when asked about a case in which he prosecuted an individual for stealing $7. He told us that he, and these are his words, made a mistake, and he apologized, and that he, quote, learned from it and tried to improve the justice system going forward, end of quote. I appreciate as a young prosecutor, he was following the orders of superiors to prosecute the case, but also that he was humble and admitted that it should have gone differently. He also spoke about the differences in the role of an academic who considers theoretical legal questions and a judge who handles actual cases that matter to real people. I was impressed with his eloquence and passion on the topic. I look forward to advancing all nominations to the floor today. I believe each nominee to be extremely well qualified and will serve us and the people with distinction. S-807, entitled the Criminal Anti-Retaliation Act, is on the agenda for the first time and will be held over. These are things that Senator Leahy and I have worked together on over a long period of time, and particularly on this piece of legislation, which would extend whistleblower protection for employees who provide information to the Department of Justice related to criminal antitrust violations. And obviously, I appreciate very much Senator Leahy's work and support, and I look forward to reporting that bill next week.